What a mess. What a mess. They don't. It's still upright. What a mess. What a mess. Some guy bought all the wood, said he lost 145 chickens during the storm last year. And all, complaining they keep on building around here. And it's forcing all the animals. I have more squirrels here than I had in 10 years. Because they knocked down everything. So this is the deal. And see, if I live in a normal fucking place, look at that. They complain about their tires, right? They had to spend like $800 on tires. Look at these things. All of them are just destroyed on the side, just ground down. They're gonna get the white wall again too, as you know, just because clueless. Because clueless, you know. How do you screw that up? Not even a year old, and this, you know, if you saw this, you know, as a mechanic, you just say like, fuck it. Why even bother with all this shit going on down the side, everywhere you look, over here. So if you were like live in a normal place, you can just take your wheel off. These like CV axles come out in like minutes. There's like 6 bolts, 15 millimeter. You got your sway bar end link, you pop that off. You pop your cap off, you get your 36 millimeter. You get your axle out, you cut your old clamp off over here, you break this clamp off. You cut it off, and you take the thing apart. You put this one on with new grease. Simple, right? I'll probably do it in half an hour. Nice day out today. But you know, if you live in fucking condo land, you can't do that. So it's still pissing out grease. I kind of want to do it right here, but you know, yeah, I freaking can't. I gotta move everything. This got to go back. Black car got to come out. Ghetto Wagon has to go missing. This goes in the spot of the Ghetto Wagon. Then I got about 3 feet by 3 feet to work. Fuck it. That's what I say. I was gonna do it right now, but I say screw it. Yeah, look at this thing though. They got this one, you know, $800 they spend on this. They got the whole side over here. Scratch the gas door. They get this one? No, they didn't get this one yet. Oh yeah, they did over there. I don't know if they complain about it. The expense. It's just stupid. This one got really good. Yeah. Shopping cart damage, more of it. You know how many fucking times I cleaned the shit off the side over here? You know, I did it 10 times. I don't even do it anymore. Look at this shit. They get this. Don't even do it. Actually, isn't worth putting a boot on it. Even worth it? I just say fuck it and give up on it. I'm almost to the point. Just give up. I'm gonna go buy a brand new one. And that vehicle, and I bet in about I bet it'll be fucked up in a week. Seriously, be screwed up in about a week. So, I don't know. Everywhere you look, it's everywhere. Destroyed. My truck's 1994. You know, it was getting like that because they were driving it for a while. I started driving it when I had like 90,000 on it. And it was a nightmare to fix every little thing that was fucked up on it. And there was a lot of things that were fucked up on it. This, I just gave up on it a long time. Oh man, I don't know where that oil leak's coming from. I think it's that rear plate, but you know, I don't even care about it anymore. This thing is just totally. Now it's pissing out of the hole now. Look at it, right above the. I see it right there dripping down from the that plate. It's probably that rear plate gasket. That whole big knockout's wet. It's probably it, rear main. And the rear plate transmission has to come out. Oh well. I'll never fix it. I'm not taking out a transmission. Let it destroy the driveway. Already, you'll never get those stains up. Look what it did. Spend a couple $100 or destroy your whole driveway.